Video na lang kinukuha ko kasi mas maganda pag video. Kwento ka, turo mo kunyari. Video to eh.
Now we are entering into the swimming pool. This is for children. For us, we can... Hello ate, kamusta niyo? This is me.
Gumagawa kami video. Pakita natin yung buong resort.
This is Venus.
Yes.
Venus Rock.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Welcome to the Hacienda de Raza, and this is Venus Rock, the former beauty queen, 1945. Okay.
Show the pool, show the pool.
Okay. I show you the pool. This is the pool. This is a very wonderful pool. It is accentuated of many. Ang tawag dyan, bro? Ito ganun ganda. Play. Sliding.
Ipapost ko sa YouTube to eh. Hindi nga. Tugon ka na sa YouTube na to.
Likod dyan.
Okay.
Tuloy ang video eh.
Ay,
Tuloy ka. Tuloy. Pakita mo yung mga cottage.
Okay, this is all cottage. We have a number of cottage, only 350 pesos for 24 hours. And we are now entering to Olympic swimming pool. I like that.
Annotate.
Yeah, I like it. Hey, I like this man. Very much.
Tuloy.
I show you the man.
Show the pool.
I show the pool. Okay, this is the Olympic swimming pool here at the Hacienda de Raza. These are all the beautiful people. Yeah. There are two guys who walking around. Yeah, they're ikot naman ng kalbo.
Annotate. Kwento.
Okay.
Lakad ka.
Roland, that baguette is waiting for you.
Tuloy mo yung mga bagets para maano.
Pagka-uli mo, nandun na.
These are all children.
Kwento kasi may maraming bagets.
Maraming bagets, Roland. Bet mo siya. Maglalaban kayo ni Jinky. Sa mga bagets. Ito talaga ni Queen. Yung ilong ko. Ini-emphasize. Diba ang ganda? Pag yung puno, ang ganda ng puno. Diba ang ganda ng puno? Parang gusto ko pa mag-swim. Teka na girl, yung ilong ko. Hindi natin yung Kagabi, dalawang onse, yayaya ko mali. Yung mga lasing. Okay. Yung pati ang ganda pati ng cottage na din. May kubo-kubo. Alam mo gano'n, saan tayo? Kapag dito tayo, ano yung kubo nun?
Lapitan natin yung kubo. Turo mo lang yung kubo. May CR pa pala sila dito. Yan yung CR. Pakita mo yung mga comfort room. Paano kaganda.
Comfort room.
Yan yung comfort
Hindi,
room.
may comfort room din dun, malaki.
O, dito rin. Pakita mo.
Kaya wala, dito sa CR.
Turo mo yung loob ba?
This is the comfort room. Ay, nakala. Nakala. Laptop.
Look to Basile. Okay, follow the ohms.
Sabi.
Yung puno.
One of the rest.
Tree house, tree house.
This is a tree house. Oh, ang ganda.
Ayan. Turo mo yung tree house. Kuha ko na lahat to.